Alright, so here you can see I constructed a map. These are the first three that are the versions of visual aids that need to be revised. So you'll see I have a map with, I've outlined 4 different spots where recycling centers are. Then if we go to the next slide, I have guide to recycling with some more lengthy bullet points right here. And then another one, I have a slide where you're given visual aid as a graph. This is a pie chart, and you'll see the attention is drawn to this title rather than my chart. So going from the top, if we look at the old map, this seems very cluttered. You can see that I've selected a new map that's less cluttered from a design perspective right here, where there's less road names, so your eye and the audience is more drawn to what I'm trying to emphasize, which are these 4 different locations right here. So if we move forwards, you see the old guide to recycling slide, very lengthy sentences here. With the new and revised, I went ahead and simplified it. Since my audience will have a limited amount of time to see each slide, I've kept text to a minimum in order to only present my main idea. Here I've actually used the 6x6 rule. So if you count, there's no more than 6 words per line, and there's no more than 6 lines per slide. Keeps things simple from a design perspective. And then finally, on the pie chart, you can see that on the old one, you have an italicized, very lengthy title, and you want to shorten these titles and keep them very concise. So if you'll see here, I made the title much shorter, more concise, so the audience is focused more so on what I have to say and what's happening in the middle of the screen, which is my pie graph. Also, you'll see that this is a green color, which is rather distracting. It's not using to emphasize any point, so I went ahead and made the font black again. It's also another design element. So thank you very much.